Looking for the best KitchenAid food processors? In this video we look at some of the top 3 KitchenAid food processors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, KitchenAid KFC 3516CR 3.5 cup mini food chopper. Pros: 3.5 cup work bowl with locking blade, handle and pour spout. Drizzle basin. Great size for everyday use. Dishwasher safe work bowl, lid and blade. Cord wrap. Perfect size to leave out on the counter. Triple safety lock on blade. Tight seal on lid. Choice of color. Cons: center pole and blade attachment cut down on stated capacity. Bottom line: a mini food processor with impressive chopping power and a compact build that makes it small enough to keep on your counter. At number 2, KitchenAid KFP 1133CU 11 cup food processor with ExactSlice system. Pros: 11 cup and 3 cup work bowls. ExactSlice system features optimized speeds and an external lever that adjusts thickness of slices. 3-in-1 wide mouth feed tube allows large items with little prep. Seal has locking system with leak resistant ring. Includes discs, blades and a storage case. Cons: buttons are hard to depress. Bottom line: with both 11 cup and 3 cup work bowls, this food processor gives you flexibility for different recipes and needs. At number 1, KitchenAid KFP 1466CR 14 cup food processor with ExactSlice system and dicing kit. Pros: includes hands-free commercial style dicing kit. 14 cup and 4 cup work bowls. ExactSlice system allows external thickness adjustment. 2-in-1 feed tube. Seal has locking system with leak resistant ring. Includes multiple blades and discs and storage case. Cons: food can get stuck in the hollow underneath the blade. Bottom line: with a dicing kit, 2 different sized work bowls and enough discs and blades to knead a storage container, it's hard to imagine needing anything else. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.